The Recurve Ligustrum, a versatile and easy-care shrub for your landscape. For years, I've been on the lookout for a low-maintenance shrub that adds beauty and structure to my garden. After much research, I came across the Recurve Ligustrum, and let me tell you, it's been a game-changer. This tough and adaptable plant offers year-round greenery and can be shaped into a stunning hedge or a standalone focal point. Now, if you're considering adding a Recurve Ligustrum to your own landscape, you might have some questions. Don't worry, I've been there. In this article, I'll share my experience planting and caring for this versatile shrub, covering everything from choosing the perfect spot to keeping it healthy and thriving. Where does the Recurve Ligustrum shine? Before we dive into planting, let's talk about what makes the Recurve Ligustrum so special. This evergreen shrub boasts glossy, dark green leaves that remain attractive throughout the seasons. It's a fast grower, reaching heights of 8 to 10 feet and widths of 4 to 6 feet at maturity. But perhaps the best feature is its adaptability. The Recurve Ligustrum tolerates a wide range of soil conditions, from slightly acidic to slightly alkaline. It thrives in full sun or part shade, making it a great choice for various spots in your garden. One thing to keep in mind: the Recurve Ligustrum can be aggressive in some regions. Check with your local authorities to ensure it's not considered invasive before planting. How to plant a happy Recurve Ligustrum. Planting a Recurve Ligustrum is a breeze. Here's what you'll need: a healthy Recurve Ligustrum plant. Choose one from a reputable nursery. Shovel, garden hose, organic mulch, optional. Finding the perfect spot. As mentioned earlier, the Recurve Ligustrum is adaptable when it comes to light. However, for optimal growth and foliage density, aim for a location that receives at least 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight daily. Preparing the planting hole. Dig a hole 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball of your Recurve Ligustrum and no deeper than the root ball itself. Loosen the soil at the bottom of the hole to encourage root growth. Planting your Recurve Ligustrum. Carefully remove your Recurve Ligustrum from its container and gently tease out any circling roots. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball sits slightly above the surrounding soil level. Backfill the hole with the removed soil, tamping it down gently to remove air pockets. Watering your new plant. Give your newly planted Recurve Ligustrum a thorough watering at the base until the water begins to drain. Continue to water regularly, especially during the first few weeks or during dry spells, to help the plant establish a strong root system. How far apart to plant Recurve Ligustrum? The spacing between your Recurve Ligustrum plants depends on your desired outcome. Here's a breakdown. Privacy hedge. Plant your Recurve Ligustrum 3 to 5 feet apart. This allows them to grow together and form a dense, opaque barrier. Individual shrubs. If you want to showcase the individual beauty of your Recurve Ligustrum, space them 6 to 8 feet apart. This provides ample room for them to mature to their full size. How to care for Recurve Ligustrum. The Recurve Ligustrum is a low-maintenance plant, but a little TLC goes a long way. Here's what you need to know. Watering. Once established, your Recurve Ligustrum is fairly drought-tolerant. However, regular watering during hot and dry periods will ensure healthy growth. Aim to soak the soil deeply once or twice a week. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to promote healthy growth. You can also add a light layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Pruning. The Recurve Ligustrum responds well to pruning and can be shaped into a hedge or topiary. Prune regularly throughout the growing season to maintain the desired shape and size. Conclusion. The Recurve Ligustrum is a fantastic addition to any garden. Its versatility, low-maintenance nature, and year-round beauty make it a winner in my book. With proper planting and a little care, you can enjoy this stunning shrub for years to come. So, why not give the Recurve Ligustrum a try? You might just find yourself as smitten with it as I am.